So I just completed my 46th week of investing in my M1 Finance, and this week was a really great week. Hi, this is Andres, and welcome to my channel. This is my M1 Finance portfolio called the Moneymaker. As you guys can see, it consists of 100% stocks. This week was really a great week despite the election, and I cannot wait to show you guys how much I gained this week. So let's go through my stocks. All right, so let's change this to week, and you will see a bunch of green this time. Unlike last week, it was a bunch of reds. So as you guys know, we'll save the no dividend for last. So let's go to my technology first, which consists 38% of my pie. All right, for this week, NVIDIA, I gained $207.44, which is up 16.18%. Microsoft, I gained $114.66, which is up 10.50%. Apple, I gained $91.38, which is up 9.23%. Skyworks, I gained $36.79, which is up 3.86%. So as you guys can see, all my tech stocks won this week. My highest gainer is NVIDIA, which is 16.18%. And my lowest one is Skyworks, 3.86%. But $36 in 1 week is pretty good. Alright, for my technology this week, I gained a whopping $450.27, which is 10.43% return. I earned $1.87 dividend. So that is amazing. 10.43% is really, really good. Alright, now let's go to my consumer, which consists 12% of my pie. For consumer, Procter & Gamble, I gained $30.94, which is up 4.47%. McDonald's, I gained $11.56, which is up 1.67%. So as you guys can see, both of my stocks from my consumer won. They're not as high as my technology, but a win is a win. For my consumer this week, I gained $42.50, which is 3.07% return. I did not earn any dividends. Like I said, it's not as good as tech, but this is still pretty good. I'm actually thinking of maybe getting rid of my consumer stocks, but I'll think about it. If you think it's a bad idea to get rid of these two stocks, let me know in the comment below. Alright, let's go to my industrial slice, which consists 8% of my pie. Wow, Honeywell gained a lot this week. I gained $109.98, which is 11.71% return. This is probably the highest gain I've had from Honeywell. This is amazing. So I did not earn any dividends for this week. Now let's go to my favorite slice of my pie, my no dividend slice / growth stocks. This consists 42% of my pie. Alright, Tesla, I gained $286.87, which is up 10.80%. Square, I gained a whopping $317.06, which is up 27.89%. Wow, 27.89%, that is amazing, guys. They gained a lot after their earnings. They beat their earnings, so it was a really good week for Square. Roku, another good gains. I gained a whopping $227.47, which is up 25.18%. Wow, this is really amazing. All my stocks from my no dividend slice gained more than 10% this week. This is really, really amazing, guys. I'm so glad, again, I'm so glad that I added these stocks in my pie. For this week, my no dividend, I gained $831.37, which is 17.70% return. Wow, this is really amazing. Almost 1K, almost 1K. Wow. I'm glad I've invested in these stocks. So as you guys see for this week, it's all green. My tech and my no dividend slices really killed it this week. I'm really proud of myself for investing into these stocks. As you guys can see, since I've minimized my investments, all my gains have shot up because I was able to focus more on some of the stocks that are really gaining more money. So for this week, my moneymaker, I gained $1,434.12, which is 12.65% return. My earned dividends is $1.87. Just look at that. More than 1K of gains for this week. Last week I was under 12K. Now look at this. I am way above 12K now. So yeah, I cannot wait. I cannot wait for the end of this year to finally show you all my gains. I cannot wait how much this account will grow in the next few weeks. So like I always tell you guys, keep investing, keep growing your wealth. I'll see you guys again.